Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a new trick in which we can earn lot of money. There is a new app, Earn Talk Time. Earn Talk Time is an app in which we earn lot of money by talking with others. Here are some. First of all, you have to open your Google browser, then you have to search out earn talk time. Here is the link. You have to open first link in your browser, Google browser. There are details about this app. Earn talk time, providing freedom for paid research recharges for life. The only app now providing free bonuses of live play, quiz and games and more credits. Shop through us and get discount as cashback. So viewers, these are the other details about this app. You can download this app on Play Store and APK as it could be downloadable on your Android laptop or iPhone models. So in this app you can earn lot of money. Here is the Google Play. In Google Play this is seems like that. These are sign up options, recharge, get points, complete offers. As you complete the offers in this app, you get the rewards, bonuses, and also the coins which are convertible in other currencies. So guys, this is the app. You can earn lot of money by talking with others, and here are the other offers, vouchers, recharges, and many more things you can earn from this app. You can buy, you can shop through this app. So guys, this is the today's videos in which you find out the way to earn the money. Thank you.